Hello you guys, I am going to record one of my first ever clean with me videos. I'm doing a deep clean in my room, trying to just refresh for the rest of the year. Let me show you what I'm working with. All this mess behind me. So let's start over there. So this happened over a lot of things. This is like all the stuff from the wedding. I took some trips, and well, not my wedding, my sister's wedding. So there's like a bunch of stuff right here that is like mostly not even mine, that I had to get from the venue, and I just need to figure out where I'm going to put all these things. It's literally an apple from my sister's house because she has an apple tree and I forgot to eat it. It was in my purse anyway. And I have all these clothes I need to put away slash you know, put in laundry. I have a little laundry pile here, and I'm gonna clean my floors. I finally cleared off this section of my room, but it's all in the bed right now. And then I'm gonna go through and like deep clean my desk area, kind of remove what doesn't need to be there, my little shelves there, bookshelves. I'm gonna deep clean all of these drawers, this stuff, and my little prayer corner over here. So it's just like, I feel like a lot of things everywhere, and I just like do not like it. And also these drawers, I'm just gonna get rid of as much as I can. So yeah, I'm probably going to fast forward obviously through this, and yeah, I guess here we go. Clean with me video, take one. Okay, you guys, my method of attack was separation. So I separated out things that could stand basically, and those are all like beauty things separated by like where they belong here. This is like all beauty things again, except for they're just like all jumbled up, and that's hair stuff over there. So I'm going to be putting away in those drawers, which you guys will see me empty out and organize, and I still have yet to get to this thing. And then this I just need to put away in the bathroom. So I think we're looking pretty good. This just needs to go in my bag somewhere. And yeah, so I'm gonna put these away, well, get the stuff away, and then I'll leave this here so that whenever I empty these, I'll just grab them and put them away accordingly. So let's do it. guys, I just finished emptying everything in there. I'm probably gonna empty out stuff on top as well, but right now I'm gonna leave that there and focus on all of this in here. I'm so happy though that like a lot of these drawers are just like a lot better. I actually used one of my candle boxes, as you guys saw, to organize my jewelry, which I think it's so cool. It was such an impromptu idea, but I love it. I put bracelets in there. Make sure the lighting is good. This way. This is probably better. Yeah. So I put like small earrings in here, like medium earrings, and then bracelets and my big hoops in here. And I just feel like that is so great. Okay. I'm always one for like repurposing things, and I really love this repurpose. So putting in that in there. This is all my hair stuff. A lot better and more organized. It's just like random things that I don't know what to do with right now that I actually use. This is makeup, and I just have hair stuff in here too. This is just like some extensions that I use sometimes, Marley hair. And then it's just makeup. I don't really have a system for makeup yet because honestly I want to get rid of all my makeup. But that's just there because I haven't replaced it yet. This is stuff that's like super old and just needs to go, honestly. So I'm not gonna organize it until I feel like I have a handle on what I want to keep and what I don't want to keep. This is like all travel and just like extra self-care and hygiene things. So that's what's in here. And this is just like what I use every single day. So my vitamins, oils, body oils, face oil, and deodorant. That's pretty much all I use every day. Alright you guys, I am officially done cleaning my room. The only thing I have to do is I need to get some more Windex to clean my mirrors, but I also kind of moved my room around. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you ever want a room tour. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. I'm actually about to go, so I did a quick change. So here is my new, I don't know what this is. I think I'm gonna make it like a beauty area. This is all like my beauty and hygiene products over here. And I'm gonna start kind of hanging some clothes up there, but I'm gonna, we'll see. And then I have shoes up there, my closet's in there all cleaned out. And then here is my little chaise. Move my desk to right there because there's more light coming out, so it's better for video calls. And over here is my prayer area. I am washing my rugs that I had down here, so they're actually in the wash right now. And yeah, cleaned out everything. I just love having less stuff. This is actually for part of my ooh, and I love how my mirror is right here now. I feel like it's just so much, ooh, I feel like it's just so much more space. But this is actually part of my monthly reset routine. I actually do those every month, so definitely check that out. I'll have links down below and probably above as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys liked this idea of a clean with me video, I've never done one before, and this actually just helps me to just get it done and just get the deep clean that I really wanted to get. And it just feels so nice to have significantly less things and obviously a deeper cleaned room. We all love that. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you liked it, go ahead and give me a big like, comment down below what you want to see from me next, and go ahead and subscribe and turn on your notifications for this channel so you do not miss my next upload. Thank you again. I love you guys, and bye-bye. Bye.